Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. I have a fellowship meeting today. I'm going to the bus stop in Hamdan. They don't have bus in our place, near our place. Going to Hamdan, Airport Road. Hamdan, going to Alwada Mall. Alwada Mall, Airport Road. So go to Hamdan Street. Ride a bus going to Alwada. Because our meeting is in Alwada Mall. And after meeting, I'll go direct to the church. Look at the sun. Look at the sun. Very bright. Happy weekend, everyone. I hope you have a great weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Me, more than 2 weeks, I did not go to church because of, what happened in the Middle East right now. It's not, I prefer to, it's not safe it outside because of the, I prefer to stay at home instead of going out. But I feel bored. That's why now I'm going to our fellowship meeting and going to the church after the meeting. Go direct to the church. I'm gonna come home late. I hope and pray that the war will end stop totally. This is the road between Hamdan and Khalifa Street. I hope there is bus right away. I'm planning to pass by in Biba. But the problem is the time maybe I'm gonna be late with the fellowship meeting and I'll pass by in Biba Alpalain Airport Road. Twin Alpalain Airport Road. That's all guys. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, a suggestion, and of course don't forget to share and subscribe. I'm on the way in my meeting today. Bye.